Hi guys, today we will talk about how can you search for friends or page on your Threads app. We will go to figure out this solution or know how you can do that on your Threads app. All you have to do, just go down here, you click here on this search here on down, then it's going to take you here in this window and here so you can search here for your friends or page like anyone you want to add, you just search for him here, it is going to show for you, and you can send him like this, for example, like Netflix there, for example, just click follow and it's going to follow with this page. So that's all you have to do, and here only can you find all people or all page you have on your Instagram account, and here you can follow it. So that's all you have to do. I wish know you I get it. That's all. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.